Today we're pleased to introduce to you the new Dynatron 125 portable ultrasound. The device in the back has the standard entry module for a receptacle for a hospital grade power cord, as well as a battery input for using this device in remote locations. On the side is the combo jack, allowing for stim input for combination therapy. At the front is the jack for the ultrasound heads. The Dynatron 125 will have smart head technology and allow the use of a 2, 5, or 10 centimeter head to be plugged in directly into the device. Those parameters for the sound head calibration are located in the head and will not need manual calibration entry. As we turn on the machine, initially what we'll see is the Dynatronic splash screen showing the logo. Next will come up the operation screen, which these controls are very simple and intuitive to operate. First of all, you'll notice that the frequency key is just a toggle between 1, 2, and 3 megahertz. The duty cycle key allows us to toggle between 10, 20, 50, and 100% or continuous. The operation of the intensity is with the up and down intensity arrows. And as we modify those, it automatically will change as we touch the display. Changing the time comes just a slight bit differently, and that's by pushing that will allow the up and down time arrows to appear. As we modify that, we can save any changes that have been made previously, as well as return to the main screen. As we push play or start the treatment, you'll see that the timer counts down. At any time, we can pause the treatment, or if we want to, we can change the intensity, we can change the frequency, we can even add more time as we want to according to the treatment parameters. Now, one thing that you'll notice that's a little bit different is a settings button. Once we have a treatment program that we want to set up, we can save those parameters, but there are additional settings that we can change with the Dynatron 125. Once again, we can change the volume of our sound from being silent to low to medium to high on the chime and the button presses. The same with the display brightness. We can change that based on being in a dark room or a very bright room. We can change our units of measure from watts to watts per square centimeter, which is just a toggle. Our different languages are also with the toggle that toggle between English, Spanish, and French. We can turn on or off head warming, and there are also calibration settings where we can go in and manually enter the parameters as well, but this is usually not necessary as this device only takes new smart heads. Anyway, that is the new Dynatron 125. We're excited to get it released as soon as possible.